On June 4, while the nation was engrossed in the results of the Lok Sabha elections, the NTA, the National Testing Agency, released the results of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is NEET UG 2024. The timing of the release has raised eyebrows, but more than the timing, the results themselves have sparked controversy and demands for an investigation. The Indian Medical Association, the IMA Junior Doctors Network, has called for a Central Bureau of Investigation, a CBI inquiry into the alleged irregularities of the NEET 2024 results. In a letter to Pradeep Kumar Joshi, chairperson of the NTA, the doctors' body also requested a re-examination to ensure a fair and transparent evaluation process for all students. The IMA Junior Doctors Network raised several concerns, presenting 7 pointed questions to the NTA. Number 1. The network found it statistically questionable that some students scored 718 and 719 marks, a first in NEET history. Dr. Indranil Deshmukh, who is the national convener of the IMA Junior Doctors Network, noted that such high scores seem impossible due to the negative marking system. The NTA explained these scores as compensatory marks for students who face time constraints during the exam. Number 2. The JDN questioned why no action was taken despite rumors of NEET 2024 question papers leaks in various locations. The NTA has adamantly refuted these rumors, asserting that the examination process was secure and impartial. Number 3. The network questioned why the provision for grace marks due to time wastage was not disclosed in the information bulletin right before the exam. Number 4. Some students received different marks on their scorecards compared to their OMR sheets, and these discrepancies were not due to grace marks. This has made several students and parents suspicious of the whole process, with many demanding a re-examination. Number 5. A total of 67 students scored a perfect 720 out of 720, an unprecedented number. Notably, 6 to 7 of these students belong to the same center in Haryana. The JDN questioned the high number of students scoring full marks. Usually, only 3 or 4 students score full marks. Number 6. The results were declared on a day when the media attention was focused on the general elections, that is on the day of the result. Why were the results of NEET released on this day? The NTA justified the early release by emphasizing their commitment to swiftly processing outcomes post-answer key challenges. Number 7. The JDN questioned why this year's cutoff scores increased dramatically. The All India rank of the same score increased 3 to 4 times compared to the previous results. The NTA attributed this to more students achieving higher marks, with a record 23.81 lakh registrations. This has also attracted reactions from various political parties. The Congress party has called for a Supreme Court supervised investigation into the alleged irregularities. Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge accused the BJP of jeopardizing the students' future. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also criticized the government, demanding an investigation into the students' complaints. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin too missed no chance to jump on the rope. He reiterated his opposition to NEET, arguing that it undermines social justice. These events emphasize the need to restore the preeminence of state governments and the school education system's role in determining criteria for professional course selection, he wrote on the platform X. The call for a CBI inquiry and re-examination reflects growing concerns over one of India's most important entrance exams. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.